Polo, behind you are some woods, and I thought I just heard some noises. Could it be a squirrel? Is it a squirrel? There's a squirrel? Oh, where is it? Where did it go? Where did it go? I think there's no more squirrels. I think you scared it away. I think you did. Yeah, you did. Polo, it's a gorgeous day today, but you know what? It's been so cold lately. Have you been sneezing? Have you been sneezing? Do you have a cold? Polo? Do you have a cold? You got a sneeze? You're sneezing! Oh my gosh! Okay. Okay. Alright, Polo. You know what? We need to go inside. You've been sneezing too much. Okay. Bye-bye.